In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to a shared Google Drive link. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing files with friends, or submitting documents for school or work, knowing how to efficiently upload files into a shared Google Drive is incredibly useful. So let's dive in and walk through this process together step by step. First, let's navigate to Google Drive. Open your browser and head over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, look for the Shared with Me section. This is where you'll find all the folders and files that others have shared with you. Click on this option to see the shared content. Now take your time to identify the specific folder you need to upload your file into. If you're working with a shared drive or have access to multiple folders, make sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've located the right folder, click on it to open. With your selected folder open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu offering different options for creating new files or uploading existing ones. In this drop-down menu, choose File Upload. This action will trigger a File Explorer window to appear, allowing you to browse through your device's directories. At this point, navigate to the location on your device where the file you want to upload is stored. Whether it's a document, photo, video, or any other type of file, ensure it's easily accessible. Once you've located the file you wish to upload, click on it to select it. After selecting, click on the Open button in the File Explorer window. This initiates the upload process, during which you'll see a small progress bar at the bottom right of your Google Drive screen showing the upload's status. Upload times can vary depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, so be patient during this process. Once your file has been successfully uploaded, it will appear in the folder you've selected, ready to be accessed by anyone with whom the folder is shared. And that's it, you've successfully uploaded a file to a shared Google Drive folder. Remember, if you need to upload multiple files, you can always repeat these steps as needed. This function of Google Drive is an efficient way to collaborate and share information with teammates, colleagues, or friends, ensuring everyone has access to necessary documents without the hassle of email attachments or physical storage media. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll do our best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.